And even against the cellar dwellers, the second game of a back-to-back is never easy, but Bruins rookies are sure making it look that way this season. B's newcomers leading the league in both games played and points, with a big chunk of that production coming from Danton Heinen. Kid's racked up 22 points this season, which ranks 8th among NHL rookies. And following his assist against the Sabres, Heinen has recorded at least 1 point in 7 of his past 8 games. But wait, there's more. 8 goals, 14 helpers in 28 games has him sitting pretty when it comes to his points per night average. Take a look at Brock Besser, though. 32 points in 32 games. Kids these days, am I right? And a lot of young star power will be on display when the Jets come to town Thursday night. Listen to this. Winnipeg has scored the 3rd most goals in the NHL this season and is rocking the league's 3rd best power play. Just a couple teams riding 2-game win streaks in 3rd place in their respective divisions. Watch them go at it right here on NESN Thursday night. Our pregame coverage starts at 6 with the Ultimate Bruins Show, hosted by the Adam Pellerin.
Wow, what did I do to deserve that?
You're my friend.